my name is Liesel and welcome back to VA Wonder. Today, I'm going to show you how to bulk create stunning images in Canva using custom text and product photos. This is a game changer for your workflow. If you're a virtual assistant, Etsy seller, small business owner, or social media manager, you know how time-consuming it can be to design individual images for every product, offer, or quote. But with Canva's Bulk Create feature, you can automatically generate dozens of images in just a few clicks. If you enjoy Canva tutorials, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. For the first example, I've decided to do an Instagram post, and on this post, I would like to share tools of the trade as a virtual assistant. The first thing to do is to get the data source ready. This can be a simple Google Sheet or an Excel file. For this design, I will have two inputs, the tool, in this case Trello, and secondly the why, in this case for organizing client tasks with ease. To separate them, we will just put a comma with no space. So in the first line, go tool, comma, why, and then in the second line, Trello, comma, for organizing client tasks with ease, and then you will list the rest of your tools in the same manner. I've created the following design for my tools of the trade posts. Here I've got Trello, and here I've got for organizing tasks with ease. So that will be the two columns, and now we need to connect it. So let's go to Apps, choose Bulk Create, go down here to Upload Data. Now you can upload the spreadsheet that we've just created. Then you will see your data fields will appear here on the left-hand side. We will click on Trello, Connect Data, then choose Tool, that's connected. And then we will click here on for organizing the why. So click on that, Connect Data, choose the why, click Continue. Here you can deselect some of the options if you don't want it. Click on Generate 10 Designs. Go here to View in Folder. You will see that in front of the name of your design, it would say Bulk 1. Let's open that. So here we can see our first post. Let's go to Grid View. Now we can see all of our posts. So that's how quick you can create all of these images. Now remember, you can still update them further if you want to by clicking on any of these images, and you can individually update the colors. Or you can go to Brand, and if you haven't set up your brand as yet, I've created a video, this one, so watch that one next. And simply go onto your brand colors and click Shuffle. And just remember, if you click Apply to all pages, it will actually change the color on all your pages, so don't do that right now. And keep on shuffling until you're happy with the color combination. Now the only thing left to do is to download your images. So go to Share, Download, PNG or JPEG. You can download just one page if you want to, or all of them. So select all. And you are done. For the next example, we are going to add some images as well as text, and we are going to do a manual upload. I'm going to use some of the images from my vinyl sticker shop, and if you're interested to have a look at that, you can go to matchsetlove.com. Start off by creating your design. I've created this Instagram post design. I've got one frame here with the image of my product stickers. Then I've got another image here of the lifestyle mock-up. And then I've also got the title of the product down here. So I want these three things to be updated in each upcoming image. So now let's go down here to the left-hand side and click onto Apps. Search Bulk Create. Open it up. Go down here to enter data manually. It's already picked up that I've got one image in there. I would like to have 3 columns, so I'm going to have an image product, another image product, and one text. So the text will be my product title. Now that we've named our columns, we can start uploading the information. I will do the first line as an example, and then I will just quickly update the rest. So the first one will be my mustache wall stickers. I will add my lifestyle image and also the product image. Now I've uploaded all my titles, my lifestyle images, and my product images. So I will go down, click on Done. Now it's time to connect everything. So I will click on my product image, connect data, and that's the product image. Then I will click here onto my lifestyle image, connect data, lifestyle image, and then I will click onto the text, connect data, product title. Click on continue. So click on generate 9 designs, view in folder. Again, you will see bulk 1 here in front of your folder title. Go to your grid view. And with a little preparation, all of your beautiful images have been created. Double check them to make sure that all the layout and spelling is correct. Then you can go to share, download. Again, you can choose PNG or JPEG. And download. I would love to know, what do you think about this Bulk Create feature and what would you use it for? Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.